Hello everyone, my name is Manjit Singh and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I'm a third year LLB student of Lord Law College. Today's my topic is right to information. Information can be any form, whether it is in a record, memos, email, circulars, agenda, etc. The primary objects of this act is to give the right to all the citizens and individuals to. This act gave consent by Parliament on June 15, 2005, which came into force effect on 12th October 2005. It is allowed to take any information, but that should not be hiding the government privacy. Constitutional aspects of the right to information. Every citizen has a right to express their views, thought, and expression. The basic necessity to entitle these rights is knowledge and information. Sometimes the person does not have complete information about the matter related to the interest of the public at large. So, because of the absence of the complete information, it is usually creates rumors, any speculations against any individual or corporations. Having incomplete information will help the citizen to perform their obligations. Now, right to information is not an absolute right. Let us look over it. Information is revealed to person, as well as specific information is provided at a particular time according to the time and need and situation. There are numerous fields in which there is a need to share the information at a specific time. Political field, in the area of the political power, there is a need to use these rights and for the sake of leaders and any other members of ministers, so that the party does not share the absolute information. Business field, if we talk about business, we can say every businessman has a right to impact information regarding his business. Need for the right to information. Right to information is a right that gives the general public the ability to participate in discussions, morals, and social issues. The act is urgently made to create a positive change in the backward areas like Eastern UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, and Maharashtra as well. In the regions of the Karnataka, UP, and Maharashtra, they are using it very nicely. Slums area of the Mumbai have a very high level of awareness about reality. Now, the right to information is in other countries. The new constitution of South Africa precisely mentions the right to information in the bills of its rights. In Malaysia, it serves a system based on online data, which is basically known as to the link of civil services. The person can get information from the public authority through since 1810. Sweden has been relishing the right to information, the freedom of information according to the past in the year 1982 in Australia. Now, after discussing all over the fact, we can conclude that the right to information is beneficial for all the people, as well as have right to know about the facts. It will help the poor people a lot, so that it in any problem they can use their rights in the urban area and rural area. After getting the information from such concerned authority, the citizens can improve their lives than before. Right to information is a fundamental right, because we have all right to get information, as now it has become our fundamental right, which the court says in the case of SP Jain versus Union of India. In this case, the court declares that the right to know is a fundamental right. Thanks to the legislations from this act, citizens can seek information within 30 days and take information about the ration card applications or the money spent on the lighting a bridge outside their home. This was all about the right to information. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel as well as on my video. Do comment your questions on the comment box if you have any question with regards to this video or with regards to my previous videos. Lastly, this video does not solicit any type of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines issued by the Bar Council of India. The sole purpose of this video is for the educational purpose only. Thank you.